Hello. I am a talking cat. Today, there was sad thing. Why will men revoke me? The bad people, throw stones at me or speaks loudly bad mouth. A person who is kind to me. She heard a bad word to a bad person. She told her that she should be kind to a cat. And she asked her why she was throwing a stone. A bad person, saying that, because I am older. However, she said, to listen to what I said. Even if she said no, she did not listen. It was a person, who would be my viewpoint. Looking at it, there are two kinds of humans. You can see that there are good people, and bad people. Nia, Ung.